Beauty by Earth, Microneedle Derma Roller, 0.25 mm titanium needles, 1 roller. Product Overview Description. Inspire Beauty, Naturally Leaping Bunny Certified. Microneedling is a great addition to your skincare routine and assists in prolonging youthful, plump-looking skin. Use your derma roller to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, pigment issues, and pore size. Derma rolling also prepares your skin for maximum absorption of skincare products. Suggested use. Care instructions: always cleanse the derma roller before use with alcohol-based solution. Nighttime use is recommended as microneedling may cause skin to look red and irritated. Instructions. Cleanse skin to remove all dirt and oil. Disinfect skin with a witch hazel-based toner to ensure all residue is removed. Using light pressure, roll horizontally over forehead, cheeks, chin and nose. Be sure not to drag derma roller on skin, but pick up each time. Avoid the eye area. Go over the same areas again, but now vertically, and then diagonally. Follow microneedling with soothing ingredients, such as a mask, serum, face oil or moisturizer. Use SPF daily. This procedure should take 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week. Other ingredients. Handle, PC plus ABS needles, food grade stainless steel S304. Warnings. Do not use on infected skin. Do not share derma rollers. They should be used exclusively by one person. If you are unsure about derma rolling with your skin condition, consult with a dermatologist before use. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.